Understanding This is the Big One, a deep dive into English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase. This is the big one. Whether you've heard it in movies, read it in books, or come across it in casual conversations, this phrase holds various meanings across different contexts. Let's unravel its significance together and understand how you can use it effectively in your English conversations. At its core, this is the big one refers to something that is significantly important, impactful, or large. The term big here is used in its most straightforward sense, implying size, magnitude, or importance. For example, when talking about an earthquake, saying, "This is the big one," could mean it's a major earthquake with potential widespread effects. Beyond its literal sense, "this is the big one" is often used figuratively to denote something of great significance in one's life or a pivotal moment. This could range from personal achievements, such as graduating from college, to significant life events, like getting married. The phrase encapsulates the emotion and importance of these moments, marking them as noteworthy or transformative. In popular culture, "this is the big one" has been used in various contexts, adding layers to its meaning. From movies that depict life-changing events to sitcoms where the phrase adds a humorous twist to everyday situations, understanding these references can enhance your comprehension and appreciation of English media. It's also commonly used in sports and competitions, highlighting a particularly important game or match. Using "this is the big one" in conversation requires an understanding of its nuances. It's perfect for emphasizing the significance of an event, expressing anticipation or excitement, or acknowledging a major challenge. For English language learners, practicing this phrase in different contexts can enrich your vocabulary and help you convey emotions and importance more effectively. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, "This is the big one." We hope this exploration has shed light on its various meanings and uses, enriching your English learning journey. Remember, language is not just about words but the emotions and stories they convey. Don't hesitate to use this phrase in your conversations to express the magnitude of moments that matter to you. Until next time, keep practicing, and we hope to see you in our next video.